a pound of ground beef. I love this taco branding. It reminds me of the old Taco Bell. 1 can of diced tomatoes. They're gonna add a second can. A teaspoon or so of minced garlic. Adding our main ingredient today, which is a bag of frozen cheese tortellini, and give that a really, really quick stir. I'm gonna be adding just a little bit more flavor with this Fiesta blend cheese, and give that just a quick toss. And the rest of that bag of cheese right on top. And this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven, just like it is, for about 20 minutes. And open this. Oh, see that cheesy goodness? Just gonna be adding just a little bit of lime juice, just a sprinkle all the way on top, just to brighten things up. And then also some cilantro. Fill this all across the top. Look at how pretty that looks. Seriously, doesn't this look amazing? Oh, look at all that cheese. You can add some sour cream to this if you want. So good.